Oh baby, they may call me a fool, but I can't help our gravitational pull. When I stuff you with cotton candy, it reminds me you're so sweet. When we go riding, it's dandy, the way you hang onto the seat. Baby, when I'm with you, our love is stronger than glue. Whoa! Oh baby! There isn't anything, there's nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you. Hey! Let go of her, you cat eaters! No! Get away! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Wah-cha! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Wah-cha! Ya-ya! Wah-cha! 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 Ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya! Patty? You okay, sweetums? I'm so sorry. I'll never let you out of my sight again, and I'll always keep you out of harm's way. Oh baby, I love you so strong, that's why I'm singing this song. Your looks are sweeter than honey, from your pickles to your buns, it ain't even funny. Coming for you! Oh no! Look at you! Don't worry, Patty. I'll take care of this. There you go. All better. Oh, baby.
I messed up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like music to me. Please come home, 'cause I miss you, Gary. Gary, come home. Gary, come home. Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind. More than a pet, you're my best friend. Too cool to forget. Come back, 'cause we are family. And forgive me for making you wanna roam. My heart is beating like the saddest metronome. Somewhere I hope you're reading my latest 3-word poem. Gary, come home. 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 Gary, won't you come home?
Musical doodle. Round and round the record spins all day. Listen again, it takes you far away. Trying to stop it is futile, so just listen now to my musical doodle. Think you control it, but it's way too hard. Every time it plays, it's an electric charge. The sound in your head is brutal. Now you're infected selected by the musical doodle. Do 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 do. You're gonna listen again to the musical doodle. The song that you ran from it back again. You wonder if the madness will ever end. Trying to stop it is futile. So just listen now to my musical doodle. Do 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 musical doodle. Listen again to the musical doodle.
And that's the new song by the Sonars called Musical Doodle.
I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober. Put your toys away. Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to play, I say no way. No way, no, 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 no way. I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again. And then I say thank you very much. So if you're thinking that you'd like to be like me, go ahead, try. The kid inside will set you free. I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober, yeah.
After a long day of camping, it's nice to unwind with a nice, relaxing campfire song. I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our